Okay, Patchy, let's take a look at long subtraction process, and we're going to do it a different way, the way we spoke about the other day. So let's say we've got 205 and we're going to take away 78 from that. And you'll remember, of course, that this is the ones column, the tens column, and the hundreds column. And what we're going to do is, if we can't do the subtraction, we're going to borrow from the next column to the left. But then we're going to pay it back. So 5 take away 8, we know that we can't do that. So we'll borrow 1 from the column next door. And we're just going to write that 1 there so that we're effectively borrowing 10, because that's the column next door. So 8 from 15 goes 7. Now we pay back into that column we've just borrowed from. And when we pay back, I'm now going to subtract 8 from 0. I can't do that either. So I'll borrow from the column next door. So I'm now subtracting 8 from 10. We can do that. And then I'll pay back into the next column. And now I'm just subtracting 1 from 2, and that will of course give me 1. Let's just do another example, and then we'll set you to those examples that I've sent you through. So let's suppose I've got 3023, and I'm going to subtract 1192. So first one's no worries. 2 from 3 goes 1. Then I go 9 from 2. Can't do that, so I'll borrow from the column next to it. Now I'm saying 9 from 12, which goes 3. I'll pay back. So this little stroke is just the 1 that I'm paying back. So I've then got 2 taken from 0. Can't do. So I'll just borrow from the column next to it. Now it's 2 from 10, which is 8. I'll pay back. And I've got 2 from 3, which is 1. Okay, so Patchy, try those questions. I've sent 5 questions through. You may want to watch this video a couple of times just so that you're absolutely sure about it.